the following example. Takes total income of a person and prints the tax payable by him. The rules are as follows. If his total yearly income is less than 1 lakh, the tax payable by him will not be anything. That is, tax payable by him will be 0. If it is less than 1.5 lakhs, the tax is 10%. Less than 3 lakhs, 20%. Otherwise, 30%. For example, consider a candidate's income is 80,000 rupees. That is less than 1 lakh. Thus, he is not required to pay anything. That is, tax will be 0. Now, consider another candidate's total income is 1.2 lakhs. 120,000. That is 1.2 lakhs. For first 1 lakh, the candidate is not required to pay anything. Above 1 lakh, how many thousands he is having income? 20,000 rupees. For that, 10%. That is, 2,000 rupees he is supposed to pay. That is, the tax payable by him will be 2,000. Now let us consider another candidate's total income is 2 lakhs, which means that for first 1 lakh he is not required to pay anything. The next 50,000 rupees, the tax rate is 10%. That is 5,000 rupees for the next 50,000 rupees. Then this man is having more than 1.5 lakhs. How many thousands he is having? 50,000 rupees. That is, his total income is 2 lakhs. So thus, for that 50,000 rupees, he has to pay 20%. That is 10,000 rupees. Thus, his total tax payable becomes 15,000 rupees. Now consider a candidate's total income is 4 lakhs. So as usual, for first 1 lakh, there is no income tax, 0. The next 50,000 rupees, 10%, that is 5,000 rupees. Then we have said less than or equal to 3 lakhs, that is 20%. So now he is having 1.5 lakhs, above 1.5 lakh. That is, for that 1.5 lakhs, 20% he has to pay, that is 30,000 rupees. Above 3 lakhs, how many lakhs he is having? 1 lakh. For that 30%, thus another 30,000 rupees. Thus his total tax payable is 65,000 rupees. Thus the calculations are supposed to be done as shown in the slide. In this example, to get the solution, we have used nested switch statements as shown below. First, that is outermost switch statement is comparing the total income with 1 lakh. The middle one comparing with 1.5 lakh. The innermost one comparing with 3 lakhs. There is no difference is there between this nested switch state structures and the ones of the previous programs. So we will try to simulate how this program works with some dummy data in the following slides. Now consider the total income of a candidate is 80,000 rupees. Is that is greater than or equal to 1 lakh? First outer switch statement expression, is it true? No. Thus its value is 0. The expression value is 0. Thus its respective case 0 statements will be executed. Thus we will be getting tax value as 0. When it is printed, we will be getting tax as 0. Now consider that the user has entered the total income as 120,000. So when the outer switch statement is evaluated, 120 is greater than or equal to 1 lakh? Yes. Thus expression value is 1. So thus case 1 of that outer switch statement will be executed. What is that case 1 contains? Another switch statement. T greater than or equal to 150, that is 120,000 is greater than or equal to 150,000? No. So thus it is going to execute case 0 of the middle switch statement. So it becomes 120,000 minus 1 lakh, that is 20,000 rupees, into 0.1, that will be 2,000, is assigned to the variable IT, and then the last printf statement will print the tax payable as 2,000 rupees. Now we assume that the user has entered 2 lakhs is the total income. The outermost switch statement will be true, so case 1 of it will be executed. The middle will be true, case 1 of it will be executed. Then the innermost, that is T greater than or equal to 3 lakhs, that is 300,000. No. Thus case 0 of it will be executed. Now consider that the user has entered 4 lakhs, that is 400,000 as the total income of a candidate. So the outer switch statement, true, thus case 1 of it will be executed. Middle switch statement expression value is also true, that is case 1 of it will be executed. And then the innermost switch statement expression value will be also 1, thus we will be executing case 1 of itself as shown in the slides. The following example,